Joining us now is the chairperson of the JPC on the Waqf Amendment Bill, Jagdambika Pal. Jagdambika Palji, namaste. Thank you for speaking with us here at CNN News 18. My first question to you, your thoughts on the proceedings in the court. Have the judges been a little critical of the view or how the petitions have been entertained? How do you see it?
It was not questioned by the Chief Justice. I think so the petitioners and advocates, they have raised this issue कि now either work by users, either the role of the district magistrate, if there will be dispute between government property and work property, so then if district magistrate will be the final authority, so I think so how a person can be judge in his own case, so then district magistrate will give only decision in favor of the government. And third one is only now in work board how any non-Muslim can be just inducted or can be included. Now it is a religious phenomena and it will be just infringement on the right to freedom of religion. So these three questions was raised by the petitioners, and now if Chief Justice of India Honorable, so certainly the law making body is a parliament. So I think so there is no question on competence of legislation, because piece of legislation was discussed in a detail in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha for more than 12 hours. And before coming to the parliament, now Minister Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Minister, he himself has made a request to the Honorable Speaker, we have majority, we can push this bill directly from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, but we want that now thread and bare discussions should take place and number of stakeholders. So I think so it should be referred to the Joint Parliamentary Committee, and Honorable Speaker is kind enough, he accepted also, and he has just made it, I think so, Joint Parliamentary Committee, and he has referred. And in last 6 months you have seen, now if I took 38 meetings with the JPC members, lasting more than 113 hours, we have covered almost the whole country, north and south side. We have gone to Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Odisha, West Bengal and UP and Bihar. After amendment, now whatever the questions was raised by the in Supreme Court by the petitioners, just I tell you, now there are so many judgments in Supreme Court also, in respective High Courts also. In Supreme Court 2010, there is a judgment now Union of India with the this work board is an statutory body, it is executive body. Even there is another case, Union of India versus Waqf of Muslims Rajasthan. Clear cut Supreme Court stated that work body is constituted under Work Act and it is purely a statutory and executive body. It may relates, may deals with the affair of the work property which is related to the religion, but it is not as a religious body.
Joining us now is the chairperson of the JPC on the Waqf Amendment Bill, Jagdambika Pal. Jagdambika Palji, namaste. Thank you for speaking with us here at CNN News 18. My first question to you, your thoughts on the proceedings in the court. Have the judges been a little critical of the view or how the petitions have been entertained? How do you see it?
Work by user also, whatever we have made a recommendation, now if work by user is going to be abolished, so it will be only in prospective manner, not retrospective. Now they have raised the question, have so many work property, so many mosques, Kabristan, graveyards, they don't have any deeds. So I think so it will be taken by the government. It has been clear, agar they will go through the line by line the bill, we have already clear cut, we have made in our recommendation, these issues were discussed in a detail and length by Owaisi also, by Kalyan Banerjee TMC, by A. Raja, by Sanjay Singh, by even from Justice Gangopadhyay from BJP party also, Aparajita Sarangi, Nisikant Dubey, Sanjay Jaiswal. All these questions were discussed in a length on an average 8 to 10 hours meeting every day, and we have addressed all these issues. I think so this is not the issue. No, I think so without deed also, what is the, now after this enactment, now if this bill has been passed and it has been approved by the Her Excellency Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, it has become a law of the land. So now only what, कि maybe कि any mosque या any work property has no deed, but if Islamic ritual is going on, so only they have to register and upload on the WAMC portal of the Minority Ministry of the Government of India. So where is the question arise? कि now they are creating a confusion. All India Muslim Personal Law Board is creating, Owaisi is creating. He is a barrister, he himself is a barrister. I am ready to discuss. You can just ask, I am ready to discuss to anybody with the lie.
So, your thoughts on Waqf by user? That's been the point of debate. Was it deliberated? Your thoughts on Waqf by user?
Chief Justice of India has said that we are not going to discuss on just to hold this bill. And he has appreciated also that there are so many clauses. But as a Chief Justice, I think he will not be influenced by any agitation, not by any emotions. I think he will go only by merits. So merits, if he has heard from the petitioner side, so then after hearing, then he has given 1 week for the government also. This is the set procedure also of the court also. And I think so after 1 week, if Chief Justice, in front of Chief Justice, yeah, in Chief Justice Court, if Attorney General yeah, any liars from the whoever so assigned by the government, so if they will appear, so definitely they will explain everything.
So the centre seems to be perceivedly a little weak in its response or defence in court. Is that true? False? There's more time till now. Now status quo has to be maintained till the next hearing. Do we see a far more robust response from the government?
Most of the concerns were raised by the opposition. We have already addressed. They must be thankful. Lekin now, if the matter, if they wanted to politicize, so then I can't say anything. Now you can understand in West Bengal why, other than West Bengal, I think that there is no protest, no violence in rest of the 29 states. Out of 30 states, only West Bengal. And so I can say it is state sponsored. Yeah, they are getting state protections also because police, permanent organs, they were standing quite, and then I think so. If whatever is going on, either more than 35 petitions, I think so. What there is a competition between all the party. Now we are fighting for. They want to give a message. Either Congress Party, Samajwadi, Manoj Jha from Lalu Party. He has also party. He has also Owaisi, Mahua Moitra. But member of parliament, they have also filed a petition. So what type of message they want to give? I think they are not an advocate, but even they and Mahua is not a stakeholder. Being a member of parliament, she has right. Anyone can go to the Supreme Court, to the High Court, can file petition also. But I fail to understand that now Mahua Moitra, yeah, even Manoj Jha, now they have filed petitions and they want to appear. So it means that they want to give a message amongst Muslims that now we are fighting.